Good morning, students. So today we'll do here the types of thermometer. There are two types of the thermometer, that is laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. In the laboratory thermometer, it is used in the laboratories as the name indicates for measuring the temperature while performing the experiments. You can see here, you can find it over here, the structure of the laboratory thermometer. That is, you can see that it consists of a very fine capillary tube protected by a thick glass tube that is called as the stem of the thermometer. The lower end of the capillary tube is converted into glass bulb in which the mercury is filled, and the upper end of this tube is sealed. The stem is marked in degree Celsius or the degree Fahrenheit. The commonly used laboratory thermometer have a range from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius or 110, and the lower fixed point is 0 degree or minus 10 degree. So here it is ranging between minus 10 and 110 degrees Celsius. When the thermometer is in contact with the hot body, the mercury in the capillary tube, it expands and rises up. When the thermometer is in contact with the cold body, the mercury in capillary tube contracts and it falls down. So the Gabriel Fahrenheit was the first person who invented the first mercury thermometer. How this temperature is measured with the help of laboratory thermometer? You can do it here with the help of one activity. You have to take one iron stand, a laboratory thermometer and the beaker containing the hot water. Now you have to tie this laboratory thermometer with the iron stand and place the beaker containing hot water whose temperature is to be measured with the help of thermometer. The mercury in the thermometer gains the heat and it expands, rising up. It will expand till the temperature of the mercury becomes equal to that of the hot water, and after that the mercury stops rising and stand at one place. Now you can read the temperature here, and from this scale which the mercury thread stands, this is the temperature of the hot water. For example, here in this thermometer is showing the temperature of the hot water taken in the beaker as 80 degrees centigrade. There is one difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer is that as soon as you take out this thermometer from the hot water, that means the laboratory thermometer from the hot water, its level decreases. That means it will again come to its original position, that is the lowest point. It will again come on that lowest point. But when you take out your clinical thermometer from your mouth, it does not come to the lowest temperature, but it still shows the temperature of your body. That is the difference here in the clinical and the laboratory thermometer. Now when you come on the clinical thermometer, you can see here the picture of the clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer is used to read the temperature of your body. Now the laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the human body temperature. As soon as you take out the laboratory thermometer, as I told you, its level goes to the lowest fixed point, but in the case of the clinical thermometer, it does not happen. The clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body. The construction is same like that of the laboratory thermometer. The one more difference is that there is a slight bend in the stem just above the bulb. This bend we call it as a kink, and it prevents the movement of the mercury back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of the person's mouth. This is only the reason, the kink is only the reason कि क्यों इसका टेम्परेचर लोवेस्ट पॉइंट पे नहीं आता है जब हम अपने मुंह में से इसे बाहर निकाल देते हैं. In the laboratory thermometer, this kink is not present. So as soon as we take it out from the hot water, its level decreases and goes to the point 0. So the normal body, we can see that the clinical thermometer has a range from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. That means the lowest fixed point in clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius and the upper fixed point is 42 degrees Celsius, because the temperature of the human body never goes beyond this limit. 42 से ऊपर जाता ही नहीं है. And the normal body temperature in the human is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now there comes one more thermometer, that is the mercury thermometer. Nowadays digital thermometer. Nowadays you find that you are not using any clinical thermometer, but you are using this thermometer which works on the basis of cell, that is the digital thermometer. As the mercury is a toxic substance and it's very difficult to dispose of it. So if the thermometer breaks, then it becomes very difficult for disposing the mercury. So nowadays digital thermometer are used which do not use the mercury, but it works on the cell. Now there are some precautions must be taken while reading the thermometer. First of all, the thermometer should be washed before and after use. We have to read the thermometer by holding it horizontally so as to keep the level of the mercury along the straight line. हमारी बिल्कुल आँखों के सामने straight रख के ही हमें thermometer को पढ़ना चाहिए, otherwise it can give the wrong reading. Then handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break and the mercury can be released out, which is very toxic. We should not hold the thermometer by the bulb. नीचे की तरफ से जहाँ बल्ब होता है वहाँ से हमें उसे होल्ड नहीं करना चाहिए. Should not sterilize the thermometer in the boiling water, otherwise it can break as it is made up of glass. We should avoid keeping the thermometer in the sunlight or near the flame, or it may also break. Nowadays an alcohol thermometer is also found, which is cheaper, less harmful and can even measure the lower temperature than the mercury. But the main disadvantage of this alcohol thermometer is that it cannot measure the temperature above 78 degrees Celsius. So the mercury thermometer is preferred to the alcohol thermometer. So this is what about the clinical and the laboratory thermometer. So there are many similarities between both the thermometer, that in both mercury is present, both are made up of glass material, and some dissimilarities are that the kink is not present in the laboratory thermometer and kink is present in the clinical thermometer. The laboratory thermometer is bigger in size and the clinical thermometer is smaller in size. Third difference is that the clinical thermometer, in that when you take it out, it does not immediately come, mercury level does not immediately come to its lowest fixed point. But the laboratory thermometer, as soon as you take it out from the hot water, it immediately come out to its lowest temperature. So this is the difference between the clinical thermometer and the laboratory thermometer.